Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Hooked on OC. We appreciate you watching us every Sunday morning at 7 o'clock here on WMDT TV 47. We hope you're enjoying this episode. It's a beautiful day here in Berlin, and I am at one of my favorite spots. It's Crabs to Go on the corners of Route 50 and 589. You might be able to hear the hustle and bustle going by us right now because we are in the middle of what's going to be a busy summer season. And if you need anything fresh seafood related, or crabs obviously, this is the place to get it. And I'm with my good friends, Maddie. Good to see you, girlfriend.
Good to see you
Jamie
too.
Parker,
Scotty.
come on. Good to see you.
You too.
These girls are holding
Welcome.
it down now here at Crabs to Go. You'll see them here all the time, especially in the evening, keeping things running smooth inside. And we're going to talk about something today that a lot of people, you know, me being part owner, psych. No, I'm not part owner, but I get that a lot. And Mark and John say that, people ask that question a lot. But you guys have got a seafood market basically here at the restaurant that a lot of people miss because they get everything prepared ahead of time. But especially during the off season, during the summer season picking up, you guys are going to be selling a lot of this kind of stuff. So let's talk about it.
That we are. So this tray right here kind of has some of our
Nicely done, by the way.
fresh seafood on it. We get this stuff in every single day. It's as fresh as it gets. Freshest in West Ocean City, I guess, and Ocean City. On the left, we have all of our fresh fish. These four we carry every day, year round: flounder, salmon, rockfish, and tuna.
Okay.
And this time of year, we're actually going to start getting our fish of the day. We try to switch it up and get something special for you guys. Sometimes it's grouper, mahi.
Oh, cool. So it'll be something different than these four.
Yeah, something different for you guys. We have fresh mussels, fresh clams, fresh oysters.
Yeah, little necks. I mean, look at those. Those are perfect for taking
Little
home.
steamers.
Yeah, you can pop these in the microwave and watch them pop, and then delicious with some butter. I've done it. Trust me.
Really?
Yeah.
Microwave?
Microwave, no joke.
I don't know
Fresh
what that is.
oysters, raw, perfect and beautiful. And obviously the salmon that you guys turn into the smoked fish dip, which is
do.
pretty remarkable, by
So
the way.
this is something that we've just recently started doing. Our smoked salmon, we're going to try to have that in-house all the time. We smoke it in-house. We also make it up into our salmon dip, which you can see here. Scotty's
Not
about
for
to
long.
bite into it.
Yeah, Johnny made
Really,
me some
really
of this with bluefish a week or two ago, and it was outstanding. So
That's good stuff.
somebody got another hug coming after that. Wow. And we roll from that into some of the other fresh seafood that you guys have that I was even surprised by today because I saw you pop the lid off of that calamari and had no clue you had fresh calamari in there. And how many years have I been coming here?
Too many.
Yeah, thanks a bunch, Parker.
So actually this is something that we started carrying, the fresh calamari, in the past couple years, but we get this stuff in fresh almost every single day. So you can either take it home and prepare it yourself, or we can fry it up here for you to perfection in like a light seafood breading. Some of the other fresh stuff that we have day in and day out is our oysters in a jar by the pint. They're select oysters, so they're nice and big. You can fry those up at home, or again, we can do that here for you.
And Jamie, you have Maryland and Chincoteague most of the time, right?
This time of year, it's going to be mostly Maryland.
Okay.
Usually in the fall is when we get a little round of Chincoteague.
Okay.
But right now, I'll just be looking for those Marylands in the jar.
Gotcha.
Also, right here, we have our Ocean City Dayboat scallops. So these are the nice large sea scallops. They come in fresh almost every single day, right offshore.
They're right there in the commercial harbor, just dumping this stuff off across from the studio.
It really doesn't get much better than that when it comes to scallops. And then we also have, of course, our fresh crab meat that comes in all the time. We have 3 different kinds: backfin lump, and jumbo lump. Obviously, jumbo lump is the best of the best, and we have it pictured here. You can eat this stuff right out of the can. It's so good. Or you can make it into crab cakes, or
funny you say that.
whatever recipe you decide.
That's how you do it in my joint, guys.
Yeah, but this stuff is gold. It's fresh. It's good. We do carry this year round, so always keep an eye out for that.
Simple as that. You did it perfect there too, man. All you got to do is take that jumbo lump, dump it upside down, sprinkle some Old Bay on it.
That's it.
Good.
Awesome. And obviously hard crabs.
Obviously crabs. We are Crabs to Go, so this is something that we carry every single day.
This is the deal, yeah.
That's
why the
if
building
we're doing our
reads what it
job
reads.
right.
Yep.
So these are our fresh Maryland crabs. We've been getting them every single day and fresh. You can either pick them up live, or we steam them to perfection right here for you. Definitely call ahead. It takes about 20 minutes or so, but you know that they're getting cooked to order, which is definitely the best way to do it. So yeah, let's top with our J.O. Spice that people love around here. They're coming out of the Chop Tank River, so those are the best crabs you can really get. Nice sweet meat, yellow mustard.
They're delicious. Had some recently.
Yeah,
They're delicious.
the season picked up really well this year. It started off amazing, so we're rocking and rolling already this early in the year with that heavy Maryland crabs. And then obviously pair it with some corn. You can't go wrong there, and a beer if you have one. But
if you have one,
yeah.
I mean, if you get one, you go right next door.
The
Raceway Sitco. Yeah, you go right next door to Raceway Sitco, pick them up.
Next door.
Yep. And more than that, they've got all kinds of stuff over there at Raceway Sitco. Including Big Bird's Roy Rig, beer, wine, all kinds of snacks and that kind of thing. If you want to stay here at Crabs to Go, you can eat it right on the west end of the property in this beautiful lot, or you can grab it and take it home like the building says, Crabs to Go. It's on the corners of Route 50 and 589. You won't have a bad bite of food here, I promise you. Phone number real quick.
410-641-9379.
There we go. Way to go, girls. We'll see you next time. We'll see you guys in just a second.